Ta-da! Oh, here we go. So, now we're on Mount Baw, still following the couple. Only because I think watching him ride's so cool because he dips it. Well, he has to dip it because he's got weight. He's got a passenger. He dips into the corners. He's not afraid of dipping. I'm afraid of dipping. I have dip fear. Yeah, dip fear. He doesn't have dip fear. He just dips. He probably has no choice with the weight. So where are we? Mount Baw Tourist Road. Yeah. This is a nice one, this one. Mount Baw Tourist Road. Trucks use low gear, bikes use fastest gear, always. Oh, here we go. Watch him dip this one. Oh no, not that one. This one. Watch him dip. Yeah, see, there he goes. See him dip. He just dips it right in. Yeah. Now watch him dip this one. He's good with this side. Oh, no, I think he's getting a bit tired actually. It doesn't look like he's in his rhythm. End of day and stuff. And it's downhill and he's got weight. A few things to consider. Yeah. Oh, there's a good dip for you. Yeah, there's he goes. He's dipping, and he'll probably dip here. No, oh, he's being conservative. No, he dipped. Yeah, it's the weight. Yeah, he's got to allow for peg clearance too on those bounces. It's the weight. Yeah. I wonder if he's got the suspension on high and hard. Yeah, I think so. I'm just gauging his suspension. It's not bouncing much. Clearance looks good. And I'm just comparing to mine. I'd say yeah, he's got it on the high, on the hard. Which is, yeah, you want that, especially with a passenger. Yeah. So all good. Windy road coming down the mountainside. Merrily, 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 life is good with a twin. You know, the problem in here, see, when you put your front brake, I just worked something out. Oh, I just reminded myself of something. When you go around a corner like that and you want to slow down and you chuck the front brake on, well, it puts your bike upright. And I reckon a few people have probably come stuck like that, where you come around the corner and you're a bit fast, you put the brake on, you put the front brake up, puts the bike upright. Unless you have ABS cornering, braking, a corner braking, which I think this bike has, which doesn't put your bike upright, but I still feel like it does do that. It brings it up a bit. You're better off, let me see. Yes, oh yeah, back brake. So you're better off doing the back brake. That was much better. It dips the bike in rather than pull the bike up, see? So we're on Mount Baw Tourist Road. You've got to learn to use that back brake. So like this corner, back brake, so it pulls the bike in, then I can throttle out. Much better. Back brake, pull the bike in. Yeah, I've got to stop using that front brake on these corners, I tell you. Right, a bit of back brake. There they are. The others. that I went out on the ride today, on a ride today. Now I got confused with my feet. I was supposed to do gears and I did brake, and then I was supposed to brake and I did gears. I got confused with the feet. Back in the sexy zone. Sexy zone. Alright, let's stretch the legs, shall we? Yeah, stretch the legs. Good. Are we there yet? Are we out of the zone? Let's see. I think so. No, we're not out of the zone. Sexy zone. I'm still in the sexy zone. Yeah, fair enough. Still in the sexy zone. I remember this place. How are we doing for time? 7 minutes? Cool. 7 minutes, nice. Who's here? Bar? Energy Hotel. There we go. Tourist road, yeah, we know that. What town? I think it's Nuji. Yeah. Looks like it starts with N. Am I still talking? Is the video still going? Oh my god. Oh well, you get a picture of a nudie, eh? Nudie. In the nudie. Bit of nudie. In the nudie. Alright, I think we're back in the picture now. Bobo, Tourist Road, 9 minutes on the clock. Rev your bike gently down the straight. Rumbly, 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 rumbly. Life is better with twin. Don't know about that last verse. Doesn't quite, that last line doesn't quite rhyme. slugger, schmugger. I think I recall this. I think I recall this. I'm going to take footage of the boys. Take footage. Ta-da! There you go. Footage. I'm going to stretch my legs and take a pee, I reckon. Take a pee. Stretch my legs. Alright, I'll bring you back